everyone. My name is Neha Kumari. I am a student of BCA PPU second year batch 1. Today I am going to present a presentation on the topic complementary function and particular integral. First of all, I would like to thank Manoj sir for giving this presentation. Let's move on to the topic. First, we will discuss that method to find complementary function. Suppose this is a differential equation. First of all, we convert this differential equation into the operated form. We will replace the d by dx with d square by dx square with d square, and so on. Here is the example. Let's move on to the cases for complementary function. There are 4 cases. First case is when the roots are real and unequal. The function of complementary function is this, the equation. When the roots are real and unequal, then the equation of the complementary function is this, that is c1 into e to the power alpha x plus c2 into e to the power beta x. Case 2, when the roots are real and equal, then the equation of the complementary function is this, that is c1 plus c2 into x into e to the power alpha x. Case number 3, when the roots are complex, conjugate and not repeated, then the equation of complementary function is this, that is e into alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. When case number 4, when the roots are complex, conjugate and repeated, then the equation of complementary function is this. Let's discuss particular integral. When the case number 1, when RHS is equals to e to the power ax. Suppose this is the equation that is the function of d into y equal to e to the power ax. The formula for particular integral will be 1 by function of d into e to the power ax, where d is replaced with a, d equals to a, and we know the general equation of general solution will be the combination of complementary function and particular integral. Here is a question in which we have to find the complementary function and particular integral. Let's solve this question. First, we will convert this differential equation in the operated form, that is d square minus 5d plus 6y equals to 0. We will find first we will find the complementary function, equation of complementary function. Six is equals to 2. For finding the roots, we will find the roots by middle term splitting, that is d square minus 3d minus 2d plus 6 equal to 0. Here the roots are real and unequal. So the equation of the complementary function will be c1 into e to the power alpha x, that is 3x, plus c2 into e to the power beta x, that is 2x. Here is the equation of complementary function. Let's find the equation of particular integral. Here pi is equals to 1 by function of d into e to the power 4x. Here the function of d is d square minus 5d plus 6 into e to the power 4x. Here we will replace the d with a, that is a is equals to 4. that is 1 by 4 का square minus into 4 plus 6 into e to the power 4x. By solving this, we will got 16 minus 20 plus 6. We will got 1 by 2 into e to the power 4x pi. Here is the equation of particular integral, that is 1 by 2 into e to the power 4x. And we know that general equation is equals to CF plus pi. That is C1 into e to the power 3x plus C2 into e to the power 2x plus 1 by 2 into e to the power 4x. We got the final equation, that is C1 into e to the power 3x plus C2 into e to the power 2x plus 1 by 2 into e to the power 4x. Thank you.